Point of View and Agents of Ishq bring you Who Says Disabled People Can't Masturbate? Part 2.
If you are horny but clueless about experiencing this joyride, ask Internet Mata. क्योंकि
तुझे सब है पता है ना
तो रिसर्च कर लो, वीडियोस देख लो, फ्रेंड्स को पूछ लो. Unless your friend is the one you're fantasizing about, उनको ही पूछ लो. Make your move. Everyone experiences masturbation differently. It's not a race. It's like a CA ka exam. You can take it again and again and again and again. If thinking about Hrithik or Keanu turns you on, then woohoo. But if not, that's cool too. Let your mind drift to sexual thoughts, or you can even listen to erotic literature or audios. Once a desire is strong, you can start by touching yourself. You can start by using your fingers and then move on to using sex toys. You can put them inside your pants, place them on top of your erection, strap them to your body, put them on your bed. You can lay on your stomach or your side. If you have a problem using your arms or your fingers, you do get special long-handled sex toys that you can use. Make sure you check the materials properly. Make sure they're body safe and you're not allergic to any material. Just as obsessively as you would check if your crush has seen your Insta stories. Maybe you don't have sensation in a part of your body. But sometimes it's next to a part that has feelings. And the brain locations for these parts are also next to each other. For example, if you've lost sensation in your genital regions, you can still achieve sexual closeness, pleasure, and even orgasm by touching the corresponding erogenous zones. Your body ain't a volatile real estate market कि एक स्पॉट पे इन्वेस्ट करोगे तो ROI मिलेगा. Every body part has a unique ROI, so go for it. If you have brittle bone syndrome, then be gentle with yourself. Many women with spinal cord injury can experience pleasure through vaginal stimulation. But yes, orgasms may take time or even feel different, and that's absolutely cool. Your orgasm doesn't have to be your ableist IG approved. It just has to be you approved. एक बात तो बोलना भूल ही गई. माहौल सेट कर लो यार. If you have a prosthetic limb, figure out if removing it works for you. You might have to change positions during the act or need support to hold on to. No. Don't call your ex. That is not the support I'm referring to. If your disability is mobility related, make sure you have all the essentials right next to you. Keep lubricants and tissues handy, or even mirrors. Mirrors can be quite helpful to explore and acquaint yourself with your body. खुद को ताड़ लो मतलब.
तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो.
To add more tadka to your me time, you can blindfold yourself if you want to. Focus only on the sensations and experience. Rub your skin with ice, feathers, silky fabrics. And if you're blind, you're already a winner at this game, right? और अब सुनते हैं एक्सपर्ट्स की विशेष जानकारी मेरी प्यार भरी जुबानी. Breathe. Take conscious control of your thoughts. Unleash your Rangin fantasies. And keep a towel under you in case you experience incontinence because of spina bifida or any nerve-related condition. If you use a catheter, you might want to consult an expert to get some guidance. If you pee often, go to the washroom पहले ही. And even if you go बीच में, it's okay. क्योंकि सुसु और मौत को कौन रोक सकता है? Find someone who is non-disabled and who hasn't masturbated and show them the light. Be their savior. चीख के सबको स्कीम बता दो. You know, self-love doesn't have to be the flavor for one season or all. We all only know love through the love others show us. And sometimes we can show ourselves the same love. You'll be like, oh my god, badi aayi, cool banne wali. But hear me out, okay? You just have to show up for yourself with the good, the bad, and the ugly. I know, everyday things can be really complicated for all of us. But this doesn't have to be, okay?